In a world steeped in history, 6 ancient civilizations laid the groundwork for modern society, each leaving an indelible mark that shaped our understanding of governance, culture, and innovation. From the meticulous urban planning of the Indus Valley to the philosophical advancements of ancient China, these civilizations harnessed innovation in ways that continue to influence us today. In Mesoamerica, the Maya created a thriving culture rich in astronomy and mathematics, while ancient Greece birthed democracy and philosophical thought, revolutionizing the way humanity views governance and knowledge. The grandeur of ancient Rome brought forth monumental engineering feats and a complex legal system establishing foundations that would influence governance and architecture for centuries to come. The Persian Empire, with its vast territories and intricate trade networks, fostered cultural exchange and innovation, creating links that united diverse civilizations across continents. In the heart of Egypt, the Nile River served as a lifeline for a civilization famed for its advancements in writing, architecture, and governance, setting standards that resonate through history.